Some are joining now. There's no problem. Meanwhile, I'll tell the third one. In the third question, it's a direct question. There is no need to use the number line here. No, without using the number line, we have to solve. 11 added to minus 7. Probably you have done this. The answer is 4, positive 4, because 11 is a larger number. You have to look at the greater value. For the second one, minus 13 added to positive 18. The result is positive 5. For minus 10 added to positive 19, the result is positive 9. For this one, when we look at the number, the larger is minus 250. So the minus 100 will be the answer.
100.
For E, it is minus 650 because
Minus.
both are
Yes,
negative.
sir.
For F, it is minus 317. So once again, I will just repeat. When unlike integers are there, what do? We find the difference. This is the first step we will do. Second step is we will consider the sign of larger value. This is for unlike. For like integers, what we are going to do first is we are going to add them. We will not find the difference, we will do the addition. Next, we have to take the same sign. Hope it's clear to you. Now look at question 4. In the fourth question, we need to find the sum of. In the first one, we have 137 and minus 354. These are the numbers which are to be added up. To add them, I would like to write using the symbol. It is plus. Then I am going to write this negative integer within the brackets. Since it is addition, but it is addition of unlike integers, we have to do subtraction and we have to take the sign of the larger value. All right.
Yes, sir.
There are two Satvik Shauryas here.
Minus 2 and 7.
Satvik,
Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
were
sir.
there in the meet twice.
No, sir. It is one, sir. My
Somebody was
ID
there.
Satvik Saurya 5867, sir.
All right, all right. Another Satvik was there. I have just expelled him. Not to worry.
Sir, in previous class also I haven't disturbed, sir. Sir, please don't remove from me class from, sir. I have don't
Okay,
disturb,
I have
sir.
understood. I have understood it. There was another.
Sanskrit class also.
Listen. There was another
Yes,
name.
sir. I haven't joined the previous class because.
Okay, another Satvik was there. I have just removed him. Not to worry about that. Now concentrate on the
Yes, sir.
class. It is addition,
Okay, sir.
but we have to do the subtraction here since they are unlike integers. So 137 has to be subtracted from 354. When we subtract it, what are we going to get?
217.
217. Here I have to take the sign as minus because the larger value is having minus sign. So the answer will be minus 217. Hope it's clear to everyone.
Minus 2 and 7.
Yes. Second one is addition of minus 52 with positive 52. Since they are unlike, we need to subtract them. We need to subtract them, and the larger value is having positive sign. So the answer is 0. Are you able to listen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the
Yes,
third and
sir.
fourth question, there are three integers. When three integers are there, how we are going to do it? Let us.
Sir, first we will add the same sign and we will add the difference of the sign.
First we have to do plus and again minus, sir.
We have to add 3 also.
We have to add all the three, but when same type of integers are there, when like integers are there, that we are going to solve it first.
Yes, sir.
First we
In this case,
add
39
plus
added to 192.
192.
What is that?
231. Yes, sir.
231.
231. Yes, sir.
This should be added
then
to
the
minus 312.
Now
So
we do a subtraction.
we need to do
plus minus
subtraction.
will come plus. We have to minus that one, sir.
71.
Subtracting.
Yes, sir.
Which symbol we have to take?
Sir,
Minus.
Minus. So the answer is
81.
minus
81.
From answer
81.
Minus 81. Minus 81.
Minus 81 is
Minus
there.
81.
minus 81.
This only answer.
Now we shall solve the fourth one. I'll give little time. You can tell the answer after solving.
Okay, sir.
Minus 50. Minus 200 plus.
Minus
Sir,
200.
50. Sir, positive 50.
50
Positive 50 is the answer.
sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Minus 250, sir.
100 minus 50 is equal to positive 50, sir.
Positive 150, sir.
Positive 50.
Yes, positive 50 is the answer. When we look at this, the like integers are having minus sign. So the same sign is to be carried forward and we have to add them. This will be 250. Now this minus 250 should be added to plus 300. Here we have to do subtraction. So 300 minus 50, sorry 250. Then we have to take the sign of the larger value, which is positive. So the answer is plus 50. So this is easy. Now the question is similar type. We have some integers here. There are 4 integers which are to be added up. 2 of them are like, 2 of them are unlike. We need to simplify the like integers first. Then we are going to do for the last step as unlike integers. Now I'll tell you the first one. It is minus 7 added to minus 9, then 4 added to 16. When minus 7 and minus 9 they are added up, it is minus 16. Very good. Plus
Sir,
added
sir,
to
the answer is
16.
minus. Answer is plus 4. Answer is plus 4.
We have to do subtraction in the last step. We will take the sign as plus.
So the answer is
4
positive.
is the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
positive 4. The answer is positive.
Answer
Positive 4.
is
The answer is
very good. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhunesh, did you try the second one?
Yes, sir.
Minus 38, sir.
In the second one, there are 3 like integers.
minus 38.
37
Sir, minus
will be
38,
added
sir.
to the
The
sum
answer
of
is
this.
minus 38.
Minus 2 added to minus 8 is minus 10. Added to minus 65 is minus 25.
Answer is minus
Minus
38.
75.
Sir, minus 38.
Is this correct? Minus 75 you will get.
Sir, answer is negative 38, sir. Sir,
Negative
negative
38, sir.
38.
Yes, you have just observed. I am taking minus sign here. So minus 38 is the answer.
Minus 38, sir.
Negative 38, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's very easy.
Negative 38.
Yes, negative 38.
It is negative 38, sir.
Okay.
Sir, more than.
Is there any doubt in that?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir. No,
It is
sir.
very easy, sir.
No doubt, sir. Very easy.
Sir, nothing visible, sir.
Okay.
Nothing is visible, sir.
Sir, screen is not available.
Sir, screen is black, sir.
Yes,
Gray
sir.
color.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Screen is black. Light black and down is.
please send the yesterday and Monday today notes, sir. Please, WhatsApp group.
See, you have observed the video. In the video only you can refer, no?
Yes, sir.
The second exercise, all questions are over now.
Yes, sir. All over, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think.
Yes, sir.
All over.
Now I am taking few questions from exercise.
Take, sir.
Sir, once again,
Meanwhile,
there is black screen is.
yes, now you can see.
Yes, sir. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
can
We can
see
see,
this
sir. Very
screen.
nicely, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. We can see,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
First question is, yeah, these are the questions related to the addition as well as subtraction. First question is completely related to subtraction.
Sir,
Related to
the
subtraction
answer
here.
is plus 15. Sir, plus 15.
First one,
Answer is
This question,
minus 6 minus plus.
first one is answer 8-1.
Sir, positive 15% answer, sir.
I explained that every
So second
subtraction
answer.
question should be changed to addition question. In the class, I had mentioned that every subtraction question must be changed to addition question. So this 35 plus minus 20 can be written instead of 35 minus 20. Now the addition of unlike integers, it's very easy. We have to do subtraction. We have to take the sign of the larger value. The larger value is having plus sign. So the answer is positive 15. So the answer is positive 15 for the first one. Let me tell you the second one. 72 minus 90 should be written as plus of minus 90. So again it's the addition of unlike integers. So 90 minus 72 should be done, and we have to take the sign of the larger value minus. So minus, what will be the difference of 72 and 90? What is 72 subtracted from 90? It will be 28. So minus 28 is the answer for this, minus 28. Now I'll tell you this third one, which is slightly different here. Minus 15, instead of this minus, I have to take plus and opposite of this. Opposite of minus 18 is plus 18. Now we have to do subtraction since they are unlike integers. So 18 minus 15. and we have to take the sign of the larger value, which is positive. So the result is plus 3. Plus 3 is the answer. For D, it is minus 20. Instead of minus, I will take plus and opposite of this 13, which is minus 13. Now they become like integers. So minus of 20 added to 13 will be minus 33. Now I'll give you 2 minutes time to solve E and F. I want the answer of E and F. I'm unmuting you. If I ask, you can answer.
Sir, B turn is minus 18, sir.
Minus 18, sir.
Minus 18, sir. Sir, B turn is minus
E
18.
equal to plus 35, F equal to minus 17. E
Should be
equal to
minus
plus
18.
35, F equal to 30, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
E equal to plus 35, F equal to minus 17. E plus 35.
Minus 1 plus Sir, E answer is
Sir, E answer is plus 35, sir. Sir, E
You
answer
got
is
35. Very good. 35 is the right answer. For this, the answer is plus 8.
Plus 8,
This
sir.
is answer is it's 3500.
So all of you have done.
Yes, sir.
You know the answer for the last one.
Sir, we all have done the
Very good.
examples.
Look at the second question. It's fill in the blank. Aniket says minus 8 is the answer for the last one. Is it minus 8 or plus 8?
Plus 8, sir.
It is plus 8. Yes, it is plus 8. And for this, it is 35.
Yes, sir.
The question related to second one, it's a combination here. We have to fill greater than, less than, or equal to sign here. Just look at
E is
the left hand side. It's minus
minus
3
3 and minus 6 is
added to minus 6
the right one
will
is
be
greater.
minus 9.
Minus 9.
Minus 3,
This side minus
this
3, sir.
minus I will write as plus, and opposite of minus 6 is plus 6.
Plus 6, yes, sir.
So the answer is
Plus
positive
3,
3.
sir. Yes, sir.
Answer is positive 3, no?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Positive 3, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
This
it's
is
a simple
positive 3,
answer.
sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So minus
Sir,
3
Minus into minus plus, sir.
Minus
Minus 21 minus, sir, minus 11, sir. B first.
Correct. Minus 11 will be the answer for this. Correct. Very good. How
Sir,
about this?
second one, sir.
How about this?
Plus
Minus
3
42.
minus
Greater than sign.
Sir, minus 20. Sir, minus 20. Sir, minus 20. Sir, minus 20. Plus 11, 11.
You have done the second one.
Sir, C first one is 34. Plus 34. Plus 34.
Yes, sir. Plus 34.
Plus 34.
Sir, and second one is, sir, 50. Sir, plus 53. Plus 53.
Yes, sir. 50.
And C one
If you simplify this,
56 is bigger than 53.
53.
greater.
53, sir.
Yes, sir.
How about this question? Last one.
Last, sir.
Yes. I think you'll get 17.
17.
And minus 17.
Plus 17.
Check.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
17 and minus 17 you get.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But I 3.
Two more questions are there in that exercise.
Yes, sir.
Again, we need to fill in the blank.
Sir, we do. Sir, we
First
do
one
this
is plus 8,
examples.
sir.
You will do this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir.
Notebook.
Yes.
First one is 8, sir. Second one is minus 13,
Minus
sir.
30.
Third one is
0.
second one is
Minus 8.
This is 8
minus
minus 0 minus 8. This will be plus 5. But coming to question 4, it's slightly difficult.
No, sir, that is also easy, sir. I done. Sir, we are
No,
doing
sir,
these
it is just-
examples now.
I will
Sir, we do this find now and right answer for you, sir.
Okay, all right.
Sir,
You,
8 one
you can simplify this. I will be telling only the first one.
First answer 26. Last 15, first answer 26. Sir, first answer is 10.
Now I want you to
First
listen.
answer is 10. Minus
Now I want you to listen the first one. In the first, it's all minus sign here. So what I do is, I will write this as minus 7 instead of this minus, plus opposite of 8 is minus 8. Now plus opposite of minus 25 is plus 25. Now it's the addition of like integers. Minus 7 added to minus 8 is minus 15 plus 25. Now they are unlike integers, we have to do subtraction. So 25 minus 15 is positive 10. You were telling different answers, but the answer is positive 10. Same way, here you need to do the change. Here you need to do the change. Okay. I'll give little time. You can tell the answer for B, C and D.
Answer positive 10.
Okay. Varun, what would you?
is 100
Sir, B positive 10. B positive 10 and C is minus 105, sir.
Positive 10 is correct answer. I want Varun Vadodigi to tell the answer for the third one. Varun Vadodigi,
Sir,
please.
third one minus 105.
Minus 105. It's your answer. Yes, Varun, please tell the answer.
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I tell?
Gurraj is giving answer. Gurraj answer is correct. Bhunesh, you have given the answer. It's correct. Satvik, your answer is correct. Aniket, you are telling the answer which is wrong. If you observe here, all the three are like integers. So we need to do addition. Aniket
Sir,
says
minus
plus 105, which
105.
is wrong. Minus 105.
Minus 105.
105.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
D192, sir. D190.
Varun, you have
This will be no, sir.
Sir,
This will be no, sir. Answer.
sir,
Negative 1 plus 92. Negative 1 is not 5, sir. The answer is chat box is no, sir.
Sir, where is the chat box? Sir, I can't type in the chat box.
Chat box you cannot see.
Sir,
Only I can see.
sir, D1 is positive 92. Sir, D40 is equal
There is something called as question answer, isn't it?
2 equal to 92, sir.
There is something called as question answer. In this, I can
Sir, plus
see the
92.
four answers.
D1 is plus 92. Sir, fourth one is
Varun says it is positive 105, which is wrong. Minus 1.
It is minus 9 because the minus sign is greater. Here minus, here minus, or minus.
D1 is minus
90
105.
plus
D1 is
plus minus
92.
98 plus minus 105.
92 D1.
92.
Okay, all right. Any other doubt in this chapter?
No, sir. No, sir.
No doubt.
This chapter is so easy, sir.
Okay. Listen.
Can you explain the question?
I will be giving you set of questions
Okay, sir.
related to this chapter. I will be
Sir,
sending
now
you
give.
the PDF
Okay, sir.
on
Sir,
individual.
notes also please send. Please sir.
We will try those questions. Sometime we will solve them. Is there any other doubt?
Okay, sir. Sir, this chapter will come in upcoming pretest one, sir.
Notes
Okay.
Can you explain fourth
This
Sir,
chapter,
this will.
is not there in the upcoming examination. Other chapters are there, not this chapter. Yes.
Sir, we can write the notes by seeing the video, sir, from your
Yes,
YouTube
sir.
channel.
Yes, sir. You can please watch the video and make the notes.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir.
I will send it.
Sharing the
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Sir, thank you, sir.